Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can add GIFs to your Shopify store very easily. So let's get started. First of all, you have to head over to your Shopify dashboard, then you have to tap onto themes and then you have to tap onto customize. So after clicking onto customize, you can customize your themes from here. You can add products and etc. any text, and let's say you want to add GIFs. So head over to your Chrome browser and any browser you prefer and search for Giphy. Then tap enter. After tapping onto enter, you have to log in using your email address and password. Then you can download or embed any link you wish to. You can easily link up your GIFs. For example, go to GIFs and choose the preferred GIF you want to, and then you have to copy the link from there by right clicking onto it, and then you have to paste the code and then tap on to save, and there you go, your GIFs will be added to your Shopify store very easily. So if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye, see you on to another video.